To fix this problem, you have to go to your phone settings app. So tap on the settings app, which is close to your profile over here in the notification bar. After that, you're going to be in your phone settings. What you have to do when you get over here is to tap on app list, apps and notification. Another device, you're going to also see apps and preference. It's all the same, just tap on it to open it when you find one of these. After that, tap on see your apps and scroll down when your app are listed. Tap on Amino app. Then tap on notifications and make sure these are all turned on like this. Go back and tap on force stop. Then tap on OK. Tap on storage and cache and tap on OK. Now go back and tap on permissions. Make sure all these permissions are allowed. After doing this, what you have to do is to tap on mobile data and Wi-Fi and make sure this background data is turned on. After doing this, what you have to do is to go to Google Play Store. When you get to Google Play Store, you have to make sure you have the latest update of this app. So as you can see, there is open over here, which means I have the latest update of this app. So what I have to do is to restart my device. But if you don't have the latest updates like mine, you have to tap on update to get the latest updates. After tapping on update and reinstalling your device to get the latest update, what you have to do is to tap on your power button for some while, tap on restart and tap on OK, and this problem is going to be fixed. Thank you very much for watching. See you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe, like and also share this video with your friends. See you in my next one.